What?
Wala nga yung dito. Lagi siya bumay mawawala mo. Wala yung
Kamay na nga ako. That? No. Ay, gan. Kamayin ko na nga. Okay.
With the service charge mo is ano?
$. Community kayo. Pag naglaro siya.
Baka siguro ate, maasin pa yan. Kaya lang po sa surgery na nga din eh. Pero hindi yung mahalaman niya.
Crazy.
Pero naman kailangan sa breathing. Siya magsasalagay. Ayun lang. O dati hindi. Breathing.
Who's dated? Who?
Mabasa mo ate. Mabasa doon. Mabasa din. Sila.
Who was?
Sila at buko.
I mean, you wanna buy ano? Thai.
Ha?
Thai tea? You want Thai tea?
Mother's Day muna. Simula tayo. Nervous na. Magdaraga po ng tayo. Akala ko. Kanya-kanya na. Wala sila matulog.
Well, that's why I said
I like you.
and KJ's trying to talk. Like you need to give KJ a right?
Dapat ako medyo photo niya. Ako dapat.
Then they talk to you. JC Mercedes is like suing. But I'm like, it's not their fault. There's no custody. The entertainment talked about what happened. About their stuff. So I go, why do you guys talk to them? They're like, we don't know. I'm like, well, they're going to sue us. It's not their fault because they don't know. They shouldn't be doing this. Why didn't you stay on you the whole time and then they should be doing it? I go, who said you? Why?
Look at it over on this one, they're going to set it over down that way, and every piece of
They were bad too because they don't do
Sorry. When was it? Almost. Honey, can you get that? As the plastic, just a little bit.
Ask her we'll go.
Yeah.
I saw that. That's what I saw.
Honey ko, I want na Thai tea.
That's what I saw.
You buy me one?
I guess you might.
You want two? Uh-oh, somebody call.
Go. Go. Too late.
It's too late. I don't know.